you.
Got him in. Still nice.
Foul hook.
Still nice.
That's
He
cheating.
was going for it and he jigged it right.
Poor bastard.
Those reds are 50, 60 years old. The red ones we got today, absolutely.
They're old. They're not. They won't taste good.
No, they're still weird. I'm talking about it. There's no fish here.
Oh, blue baby.
That's what I was asking Pepe last night about the meat, if that's blue.
Yeah.
Oh. Yellow, blue.
Azul. Right?
This is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see that up. Dude, that's fishing the life right there.
Look at that fucking thing. You can make a fillet out of the fillet.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Is your deep fryer big enough to handle that fillet, Andrew?
Don't worry about the worms.
Oh, is there worms in there?
There's a little thing towards the back, but the rest of the fillet looks super clean. Just cut that out.
Yeah, I'm just messing. We're talking about how older meat.
Yeah.
How old do you think this fish is, Rich?
Dude, that's gotta be like at least 20 years old.
What about the reds? The reds are what?
Like, I don't know. Some of them I feel like could be 30 plus. 30 plus.
Pretty sure those big ones are like 60.
Yeah.
What is that right there, John? Some cancer?
Take a bite and tell us.
That's a delicious. They call that delicious in Korea.
Is it worm?
I don't know if it's a worm. It might be a tumor.
Is it tumor? No, it is. It's a mercury tumor. Get a lens. I'm curious. Lens in my face. Is that a worm, Rich? Little alien.
I don't think so. That's
You got a lens?
fighters.
You got a lens?
Hey, John, do you have any extra bags laying around by chance?
No.
I'll bring some tomorrow.
You'll have some tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
What do you do?
I'm all out of bags. I'll get some from him tomorrow. Alright, well, are you guys going out tomorrow?
Standard five-day deal. I did 3 of them.
Okay.
Pepe did 4 of them. Pepe's staying here. He's gonna be your deckhand now.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's not going home.
Right on. Alright, well.
All right, Rich.
I'll get out of here.
Thanks for the setup today.
Yeah, of course. Nice job
ya.
on the lane.
I'll hit you up a little later.
Yeah, we'll catch you later.
Maybe Jacqueline and I'll stop by.
Okay.
On the way back sometime.
Yeah, sounds good.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you too. Have a good one.
Oh.